Keenwell, in continuous research and development of new treatments, presents Rege-White, an innovative and efficient, advanced clarifying, depigmenting, regenerating treatment. A monodose individual treatment with an intensive action. Rege-White is developed with an innovative biotechnology cosmetic technology that enhances and improves the action of its active ingredients, increasing the penetration and effectiveness. It performs its action in the skin's fundamental pillars: stratum corneum, basal layer, melanocyte. The diagnosis of our client shows lack of radiance, skin discoloration, opaque appearance, poor elasticity on face contour. We begin the preparation of the treatment with eye makeup remover lotion. Specific lotion cleanser for all types of makeup. We place 2 cotton discs in the eye area and remove makeup. With the same lotion, we remove makeup from the lips. Apply Premier Soft Cleansing Gel. Cleanse gently the face, neck, and cleavage, removing all impurities and makeup leftovers. Because of the photoaging caused by several factors, the skin may show discoloration, uneven complexion, so there may be noticeable dark spots. Melanin production changes, and as a result, skin may show a non-homogeneous color. The stratum corneum is thickened due to the retention of the oxidized melanin deposits, which cannot be eliminated. Hydration decreases with a consequent alteration of skin protection systems and the necessary elements for cell recovering. Cellular regeneration gets reduced because of the slowing down in production of new keratinocytes that may be accompanied by a poor estrogenic activity, so skin aging process starts. We remove all leftovers using a wet and warm in water towel, so the skin will feel fresh and clean. Moisturizing face tonic. With 2 cotton discs, by delicate movements in the face, neck, and cleavage, we tone skin, restoring its natural balance. Premier Enzymatic Peeling. Empty the sachet content into a bowl. Add 20 milliliters of water. Mix until a smooth paste. Apply with a brush on the face, neck, and cleavage. Leave on for 7 to 10 minutes, keeping it moist. delicate exfoliation will take place, thanks to fruit enzymes and milk proteins. It will also improve active ingredients absorption. We remove it completely with a sponge soaked in warm water. The skin feels fresh and clean. Rege-White Lightening Serum. We work on pigmented areas until full absorption. Thanks to its actives, we will develop skin lightening action. Rege-White Integral Serum. Resveratrol and soy isoflavons. We apply on the face, neck, and cleavage until full absorption. We therefore stimulate the skin's estrogenic activity to improve firmness and counteract the induced photoaging. All over anti-aging regenerative cream. Its active ingredients will exert a regenerating, repairing anti-age action. We will therefore bring nourishment to the skin, reinforce the defense system, and increase luminosity. Rege-White Advanced Clarifying Depigmenting Regenerating Treatment, formulated with a high concentration of active components. Peel-off mask. We apply peel-off mask 7, depigmenting mask Arbutin, for skin with induced photoaging and discoloration. The synergy of active principles develops several functions. Inhibition of melanin synthesis for a brightening effect on the skin. Defense system improvement, pH rebalancing, and a remarkable anti-inflammatory and anti-radical action. Reduction of skin thickness for a smoother relief and a brighter appearance. Stimulation of the skin's recovering and repairing processes. Increase in hydration of the superficial and deeper skin layers. Increase in dermal density as a result of stimulation of collagen and elastin neosynthesis. Reduction of the skin aging processes as a result of the stimulation of the skin estrogen activity. After 15 minutes, remove in one piece. Tone with Premier Basic Tonic to rebalance skin pH. Total Plus Protection Cream 25+. It moisturizes, recovers tone, stimulates elasticity, and protects the skin from the sun's damaging. We evaluate the results: a brighter, more relaxed skin, and an even, radiant complexion. Keenwell supports the results of professional treatment, Rege-White, with the use of home cosmetics that beauticians may advise in order to intensify the results of treatments performed on their clients, completing and keeping the protocol executed in the beauty cabin.